The Samsung Galaxy J6 has a bezel-less 18.5:9 5.6-inch Super AMOLED HD screen and virtually continuous screen that provides an immersive viewing experience. You can choose from 3 color options: black, gold, and blue. The phone comes in 2 variants. The 3GB RAM variant comes with 32GB of internal memory, while the 4GB RAM variant comes with 64GB internal memory. Internal memory in both the variants can be expanded to 256GB using a micro SD card. The J6 has dual nano SIM slots, both supporting 4G connectivity. With this phone, you get a large 5.6-inch screen combined with Samsung's Super AMOLED HD display for an immersive viewing experience. You also get to unlock the phone instantly using the multifunctional fingerprint sensor or facial recognition. The phone has a 13-megapixel rear camera with multiple shooting modes for clear picture quality. An 8-megapixel front camera with a front flash allows for good selfies even in a low-light environment. The Samsung Galaxy J6 runs on Android Oreo and is powered by the 1.6 GHz Exynos 7870 octa-core processor along with a Mali T830 MP1 GPU. This makes the phone capable of supporting multitasking as well as gaming. The phone is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. The handset comes with non-removable battery, earphones, charger, and user manual. The phone is made available through various EMI options, net banking, and debit or credit card payment.